Oh. Invite him first, see if he wants to play.
Oh yeah, let's grab JB.
See if he wants to play.
They get the back out of rank, man.
Yeah, but they could still join. Oh wow, that's fire. I could put the dog with me. Different skin. When you, like when you, a finisher. I wish, you know how like we used to walk when we're in the main screen, and we just walk the whole time. I don't even see Jimmy.
That shit is trash.
What? What?
This shit.
Start it. Tandy, you got this? Okay. Bro, how many freaking skins have you bought, Dad? You're lucky that they're transferring all the stuff that we're buying to the so it's good to buy all the things in here before we can't buy it. I'm gonna come back.
The other dog. Yeah, I see it.
That's like an easy hairstyle. Look at that, how big his head is.
My check. What's up, fool? Any dubs?
Yeah, we got two.
We still letting Jay carry you?
Yeah, they was carrying us on that. Got the stream out me and Bud too.
This is Spawn, bro. This is crazy. I'm looking at my nigga Spawn.
What's that one movie, Tremor? Remember Tremor back in the day?
What movie you talking about?
That shit before Sorry.
Yeah, the McLongs. Things just go on the ground and kill everybody, bro.
I know.
That shit was crazy. There's a buy right here? They showed the buy already?
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
Okay.
What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Assassin, so I can see the dog.
See that right here? Got carried up the sky.
Oh, yeah, I got him. Wow.
Training is over.
Damn,
Time to
you
see
see
what
that,
you have
bro?
learned.
Take off. Yeah, what the heck? What the heck? What is that?
You don't got that
You should have got
Resurgent.
spawned, bro.
Survive to redeploy fallen teammates.
No, it's about
Heroes
that.
bring them back faster. There's a drop point for your squad, soldier.
I don't think I have the battle pass.
I have, yeah. I have group.
Groove is in this game?
Well, it's not really good, but it's like, it is.
Watch the side.
So, like, what do you got, like, enemy characters, Warzone going with active singers,
Wait, I messed up. Yeah, Spawn is a Marvel character.
How about all the characters that they like a big fat clown dude.
The bad guy from Spawn? I forgot what his name was.
Got the
First floor coming towards me, guys. First floor.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
This gun.
That's what I was looking for. No, I'm sorry, did you get him?
I'm looking for him.
Kill
Found
confirmed.
somebody.
We've located the rest of them. Squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
Dad here.
I got an instance box. I gotta get this guy. I'm gonna go hide somewhere.
Bounty target group has been marked. Kill them all.
We have enough loading.
Friendly buy
I got a
station
bar- I got a
inbound.
bar right
Location
here.
marked.
I don't even know.
Push this, bro. Take my cash.
All this right here.
Huh? I'm gonna take grabbing. I'm just trying to find somewhere to hide.
Friendly buy station is
Where
ready.
you at? Food on me?
Here, load out middle.
Yeah, what's that?
Friendly loadout drop on the way. Enemy
Load on
dropping into the AO.
Second floor.
Right there, I see him.
On targets are KIA.
There's two
Give me
teams
some
outside.
loading.
Don't go outside.
Yep, I put a precision.
Yeah, precision.
With a
Where
bicycle.
that lock pin is.
Yup, they precision us. Oh, we gotta get out of here.
Damn, they did. Oh, but I see it though. Shit.
We're good now.
No way. I'm load out.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Right there.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Your team made it to the safe zone.
Right there.
Loaded.
Where is the lady?
Your squad mate's back on station.
Second
Good work.
floor. I'm on it.
What did I make? This one? We're gonna test this one out.
You don't have no loadout?
Nah, Nah, man. Whatever this shit was, a Fennec and what is this, an M4?
Loadout drop headed your way.
To play when the game came out.
What is guys up, bro? This shit here.
Over here, the Phillies guy.
Yeah.
Ammo here.
3? That's it?
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Hold on, buddy, hold on.
Our
Yeah, hold on.
UAV is
I'm
on
About a UAV.
There's one guy there.
Throwing stun
Go get him, bud. See? It's down.
Don't worry about me.
I downed him. I downed one. That one was coming.
Good stuff.
Right there, let's get him.
Good stuff.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Nah, he got killed. I think Tan killed him.
No, you killed him.
Hostile UAV over
I
there.
didn't kill him.
What gun is this?
Wow, I don't kill anybody like that. That whole fight right there.
I'm going up. There's a ladder right here.
Occupation scan.
Oh, there's guys in
Hostile
there.
UAV
Nah, hold
over
on.
there.
Lay down.
Enemy surveillance has eyes
Oh,
on the
yeah, let's
area.
get the food,
Go
let's
prone
get the
or get
food.
underwater to avoid their scans.
Dad.
Do you want to play, boy? Yeah? You want to play?
Oh.
Yeah, they're getting closer. But they're looking the other way
Target
so we can hit them
spotted.
from the
Marking
back.
location.
Alright, let's run.
UAV is being refueled. RTB at this time.
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Alright, they're turned around, boys. Get ready. One's coming.
Stun grenade out!
Yeah. That's the thing.
Damn, look at 3 there.
Right here.
Keep it tight.
Give me William Lyon.
Failure is a white teacher.
Damn.
I was failing all 3 of them, man. They defeated all 3 of y'all boys.
I don't know. Who's coming through that shit, bro?
Party lead.
Warm up while you can. We will deploy soon. Warm-up is over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
it to the release point.
Resurgence. Survive as your team gets redeployed. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster.
Yeah, lock in, lock in, lock in.
Target drop one for your squad.
Lock in, lock in. You guys lock in.
You're such a cap, dude. I have zero.
Gotta turn it in now. Turn it up on my viewers.
What is this
Can't
place? Where are we?
disappoint.
Yeah, this is what my 2 viewers have now. Stay at the castle for sure. You got one on you?
Nah, shot the glass.
Oh, yeah.
What is this place? Where are we?
University.
This is like a
For the parties every weekend.
Well, it's pretty dead, bro.
Yeah, I think it's fine for get a UAV. Gotta go on kill them free.
Requesting recon overhead.
Copy that.
Damn,
UAV is on station.
Moving here.
what's the good?
Moving to my mark.
Yo,
Oh, I see him. Nigga just, it's right there. He's just landing.
Jimmy, go right, Jimmy.
Go right from where? What? I'm not even near you.
UAV is being
Who's over
refueled.
there?
RTV
Oh,
at
no.
this time.
Hey, Tam, they pushing.
He's dead.
I'm pulling up.
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Oh, should've been.
He won't just jump. Going right. He's going right. Right.
Heads up. Fogs incoming. Visibility will
He
be
just
affected.
keep
Right
going.
there,
He's
right there.
going right.
Yeah, right there.
You try to snipe him or whatever this is I got here. You're getting shot.
Don't worry.
Here. He just jumped.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting.
Fire.
Right in front of you. He's right here. Right in front of you. Another one.
One guy.
Yep.
Where you at? Stop moving. Cover.
From the water. On our right side.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
I'm running to Lodi, bro.
Where's that at? Who am I
Hostile UAV active.
Moving here.
There's one in the water. Watch out.
Yep.
Yeah, right. He's in the water, right?
with?
Enemy smoke here.
Behind me.
Moving up.
Watch out. The shooters from the water side. Oh, he's right here. You lucky
No, yeah, we have to get out of here. We're getting out of here.
Yeah, we should have never.
Enemy mark.
We should have never stayed there, boys.
Yeah, no, that's not it. No, that's not it. That was already a death sentence. How's Jimmy coming back fast and Jimmy died after we died?
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. We are returning you to the front. Earn this. Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Ken, there's a guy right there. You see him?
Oh, he's fucking head glitching right here. Cover.
I still killed you. Jimmy don't die.
We've located the rest of them.
That guy's a straight bomb right here.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Mark the remaining
This guy
operators
thinks
from
he has
that
an
squad.
aimbot or
Hunt them
something.
down.
Stop that. Yeah. That's how you're dying. You over here got that stupid aim, you know. I'm lagging.
Enemy here!
The fuck was that?
UAV is orbiting the area. Gas is moving. Good kill. Marking the rest of that
Hey,
squad
Steve
on
right
your
in front of us, bud. Steve
Get
right in
hunting.
front of us.
Heavy
Coming.
fog incoming. Visibility
Other
will
side
be
of the river.
restricted.
Other side of the river.
Throwing stun grenade!
Hostile UAV active.
Keep crawling, bud. Keep crawling.
What the? Did you see that? How did I die?
Hostiles moving.
I got your cover.
Push, hand, push up.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Now they are.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Straight ahead over here above the gas station. One minute in, please.
Hunt down the rest of them. Fire sale is active.
Right in front of us. Right in front of us. Cover.
Mortar strike on the way!
Copy your mark.
Dad, how did you die?
Impact. No hit.
An enemy squad is hunting you. Get ready. Surgeon's window is about to close. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
He has a one-pump shotgun, dude.
Fire sales done. Time to start back to normal.
Taking effective fire! Throwing a stun grenade!
Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Stand by for redeployment.
Jimmy, watch out. He's about to one-pump shotgun you, dude. He's about to one-pump.
You have reinforcements inbound. Your team is in the safe zone.
Oh, lucky bitch.
That's not him.
Hostile
That's
UAV
what you found
overhead.
I found him.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map.
He missed the
Get
shot.
hunting. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy buy station deployed. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
This place has been ransacked.
Resurgence has closed. No more second chances.
One on the loose, one on the loose.
Yeah, of course he's got it.
Over here. Hostile located. Cancel that.
Hold the roof, hold the roof.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Don't pick too hard, man. They're gonna get you.
Yeah.
Come on, snipe you from a distance.
Took
too.
a round.
This far's kind of crazy. Though. That's why I need that thermal. That's why I need that thermal shot, huh?
For real.
Hostile UAV active.
You got gas moving in.
Check the sky right here.
Head to the safe zone now.
Taking effective fire.
What's up, Jimmy?
Nicely done.
Ah, this guy's butt. I'm supposed to come die by that guy. Jimmy, go back, come back up.
I got ammo
Oh,
right here.
right. I aimbotted him. Oh my god.
They're on the boat, on the boat.
Hostile UAV
Bro.
in this sector. Hostile UAV overhead.
Enemy soldier incoming.
You're in water too. Do you know that?
Moving.
Dad, why would you do that?
Oh, jailbreak, jailbreak.
Enemy mark.
Making too much noise around the open.
No.
On the bridge, on the bridge.
No, it's jailbreak.
Ready up. You're heading back out. Gas is
Got dude
inbound.
cracked over here.
Can't keep passing. Yeah, I need a UAV.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Be advised, you have teammates outside
Exactly.
Kenny, what's up? What's up?
Hostile. Enemy ammo box locked.
No.
25 remain.
You know what's crazy? I
Fought
was
hard
muted
out
this
there.
whole time.
Return to base for debrief.
I thought you were watching the Dude, how are all the thousands getting in my lobby? That's crazy. Give me a 2, 10, 5.
I got like one more.
Yeah.
See, let's just run one more. Then you guys can run. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's my last one too. Can't stay up too late. Got used to.
Six to 6 today, man. That was tough. At the city, nah, shit. One time I got off at 7. Yeah, it was tough.
Do you be tired? Just sitting there? Like, do you be falling?
Shit. Now I'll be drinking coffee. I don't really get, stay up. I used to drink like a monster and just knock
Holding for
out.
deployment. Take this time to warm up.
Right after I drink the monster, because
You need that dick active.
You missed me!
Preparation is done. Now you deploy to the war zone.
That's why grandma be staying up for a long time, because she put like 18 sugar in it, 16 sugars.
somebody named FEUL, but you guys got ran through like a lot lizard at the truck stop.
Get ready to jump! 5 seconds!
In your guys' chat, man. One of your guys like
Resurgence. Stay alive to
Go
give your
for
squad in the fight.
FEUL.
Mark
You
your
guys
drop point for your
got
squad. Before you can hit.
Lucky Getty.
What is this place? A fire depot? Oh yeah, you guys, my bad. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. I don't know why I
Thank you, load up, Bob. I
don't know why I play this close to the TV. This TV's so fucking big, bro.
Come on, bud. Let's get sturdy. Come on, bud. Let's get sturdy.
I'm literally playing in the front, bro.
I don't think you've seen it like this yet.
Seen what?
Grab this bounty and push him.
Oh no, he hasn't.
We got bounty yet.
Located a cluster mine.
There it is.
Bounty targets identified. You are clear to engage.
Oh yeah.
Nigga close, huh?
Bounty right there. Yeah. Right there. Easy pluckings.
Let me get to the rooftop, see if I can get a vantage point. He's on the move.
What?
Free money. Never mind.
Bro, you made me want all these dipping. Can you catch the slip?
Trying to get a vision.
I don't have one. I'm on the rooftop.
I got one right here. Drop one. The other one to the left, bud.
Don't let him
Requesting
come.
loadout strike.
Friendly precision airstrike inbound.
I
Got an airstrike coming your way, bud. Hold on, bro.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Oh, of course. This thing is hiding.
We're losing ground.
Airstrike.
Drop
Oh,
it.
my airstrike almost fucking killed me.
Enemy
That's what
destroyed.
killed me.
Use your attack map to hunt down the
Is that
rest.
why your health went
All bounty targets are down.
I'm coming for the pickup channel, you safe?
I got him.
shit.
Oh, no.
Jimmy, get inside. He's above.
Mark remaining operators
No
from that
way,
squad.
you killed that
Hunt them
guy.
What's
down.
up with the Deagle?
No way.
Time
you
for
killed
vengeance.
him.
You're
With the
redeploying.
Deagle? I hear him. That's how
He just landed in.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
I dropped one.
Visual on the enemy. Kill confirmed. We've located
One
the
more
rest of them.
outside. He's going right by the gas station.
Hey,
Kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunted. Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of
I killed
them.
two of his teammates.
Get ready. You're redeploying. Friendly loadout drop on the way. Enemy soldiers.
Guys, right there.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Yeah, there's more niggas here, Tim.
Guys that loaded. Guys that loaded. Not
Yeah.
I'll make it take
Kill
Going
confirmed.
up,
We've
Tim.
located the rest of
I'm
them.
moving up slow.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting. Resurging. Go get your revenge. Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
You good? We gotta push up to them, fool. Is there more people here, though?
I'm pulling up on the
Right.
You're back on station. Get
Oh,
out
watch out,
there.
one zone.
Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
So dude, at the loadout. One more, he's winning. Oh, he's at the loading.
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Go get hunting.
Jimmy, that's the last of that team. He's in the sky.
He's underneath us. I
Load
just saw
his
a
spear,
nigga underneath us. Scott, bro, if these guys killed me, bro.
No, I had to get my loadout.
He could have killed them. They was literally looking directly at me. I cracked
I was thinking about just shooting them with my pistol.
But you just wanted to kill, bro.
Nah.
That's what it was, bro.
That's how I roll.
But you didn't realize that I already killed the other one. Thought you was finna get 2 easy kills. The other dude got lucky. I had to reload my gun, bro.
Man, this is ISO.
I don't even know what gun I had, bro. I was
Hostile
killing
UAV
these with some
active.
random gun I picked up, bro. No, I grabbed my loadout. I should have stayed with it. Now I'm
Well,
gonna
right now
kill
you have
and
that
shit.
five.
Yeah, but that gun I had, I was hitting with it. And I don't even know. I just made
MP5
this
had
random.
no freaking barrel on it.
I made this random ass loading from the blueprint it gives you.
Fill your pits! We have an ammo box here!
Gas is inbound.
I'm about to get off after this.
Gas mask here.
Gas mask here.
Thank you, sir.
Bro, Dad, were you the one I was on the phone with when I was sleeping?
Your team has entered the safe zone.
When you called me,
What?
Dude, no, I was sleeping and all I remember was my dad calling me saying that him and Jake were on. I didn't even know I was on the phone. I woke up. That was going on.
Friendly UAV online.
I don't know why I'd be tired, dude. I get off at 1:34 every day.
You just do nothing. That's why you be tired.
Moving here.
I eat food, go to sleep.
Somebody's sniping.
That's me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is this a
I'm about
house
to buy you.
under the water?
Yeah. I just realized I had a lot of money.
Dude, we all have a lot.
So everybody come buy a U.
Hostile
And
UAV
buy
in
one.
this sector.
Buy you,
Enemy UAV
And
is
buy one,
orbiting the
pop
area.
one, and hold one. I didn't have that.
Dad, was that you?
I have it.
How you gonna drop your
you?
food?
Because he brought you.
Gas mask here.
I grabbed it.
I hear gunfire in front of me. Where's this brownie at? I want to grab this brownie in here. Oh yeah, hey, right in front of me. Nigga just landed in. Right there.
Yep.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Where?
Left side.
He's cracked. He's running. Downed him. I stunned him. That was beautiful. You see that stun?
Yeah. I'm up there.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Far right, I went back.
Jimmy, on your phone, down.
UAV is on station.
Objective is to eliminate all bounty targets.
UAV online.
Watch your 6. Resurgence window is ending.
Where you at, Tim?
I'm behind you.
Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices.
There's 3 of them.
Where's up here, Tim?
Right on the other side of
Okay, we should do this look.
Oh, he's cracked here.
I died. This whole
UAV
thing.
on station. Right here.
Gas is moving. We are returning you to the front. Earn this.
Hostile UAV active.
Wow. Wall been that guy.
To my mark.
Jimmy, another guy coming.
Oh, fuck, I need help,
Squad
Tim.
mates redeploying. Well done.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Be advised, enemy operators are tracking your location.
If I had that other gun, bro, I would have killed that nigga right there, bro.
Yeah.
These niggas are trying.
Why are you
25 remaining.
Who, bro?
UAV is orbiting the area.
They about to kill this fool, bro.
Wait.
I'm fading fast.
No longer active. This is for keeps.
Oh, resurgence disabled.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Friendly airstrike in the AO.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Dude, why are we going back in the water?
That's
Lock
just
it in,
safe
lock
to
it in,
get
lock it in.
now.
Take much more.
He's pushing up. He's right there. Another one. Bro, do not. Tim, he's right there. Up here.
Cancel last.
Yep. I need to reload my gun.
He's moving down. Bottom of the
Is he
stairs.
right in front of the... Alright.
You got gas.
No.
Need medical!
Oh, this nigga's just saying me. Thank you, sir.
Jimmy, rotate right. Yep. There's a...
They're right there on the other side. Right.
Time's up. Contract failed.
Wait, keep going right.
Gotta put it.
I don't have any.
But put it in the place.
Bro, keep it up. They're on the far right. Bro, just move up. Just move up. Just move up. Right here.
Here, Jimmy. Oh! Let him think I'm Heal up.
Hold on, bro.
Yeah, play by.
Subtext!
Drop it.
Here on me, Jimmy.
We got an armor box here.
Oh, this that gun.
We got an armor
No, this
box
is not the
here.
gun. Where the fuck did you go, bro?
Right here, inside the tunnel. Grab the plates. You have to pre-grab them. You have to grab them again.
Oh, yeah, no, I didn't know what you meant.
Grab them again. Oh.
He's cracked up there.
Oh, he's coming left.
Need pistol rounds!
There's one shot.
Subtext incoming!
Switch, Jimmy.
Yep. I'm out
Jimmy, you have to
of bullets
rotate.
with
Go.
that gun.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Jimmy, go left. Cross.
Like, they gotta come.
Taking effective fire!
Oh, shit.
Wait, fuck.
You ready, bro? Go outside, bro. Go outside.
Yep.
All the way.
You don't gotta run up there.
Damn, I'm dead.
Jimmy, no, I'm clear.
No, look, you got it here.
No, it's good.
No, it's not. Move off the way. Oh, shit. Bro, we gotta stay up here. Bro,
Give him some place.
Get back inside.
Less than 25 are still standing. Learn from the loss.
I was
Failure
like,
is the right
fucking
picture.
Germans.
That was a good try right there.
Alright, boys. Easy.